In this guide, we've provided 6 practical, step-by-step solutions to make Android startup faster. Solution 1. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management, depending on your device brand. Step 3. Look for a tab or option labeled Startup Manager. Some devices call it Auto Start or Startup Apps. You'll see a list of apps with a toggle next to each one. Toggle off any apps you don't need to launch immediately after startup. Note: keep essential apps like your messaging app, email client, or antivirus tool enabled. Disable games, niche utility apps, or social media apps. You can launch them manually when needed. Testing shows that disabling 3-5 unnecessary startup apps can reduce boot time by 15-20. Solution 2. Clear cache and junk files. Clearing cache and junk files helps speed up startup by removing unnecessary clutter. While you can do this manually, it's time-consuming, especially with many apps. Using a tool like Coolmuster Android Assistant automates the process, ensuring no hidden junk is missed. Manual cleaning basic option. Step 1. Go to Settings, Storage, Cache Data. Step 2. Tap Clear Cache to delete system-wide cache. For app-specific cache, go to Settings, Apps, select an app, tap Storage, then Clear Cache. One-click cleaning with Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap the circle icon in the middle of the screen. It will instantly scan and clean up junk files from your device's internal storage, freeing up memory that slows down startup. Step 3. For a deeper clean, tap File Management and choose file types like old downloads or duplicate photos. Select the files you want to delete and remove them all in one go. These steps will reduce the clutter that hinders quick boot ups. Solution 3. Free up storage space. Identify large files. Step 1. Go to Settings, Storage Files to see which files like videos, old photos, or large downloads are taking up the most space. Step 2. Delete or move them to an SD card if your device supports it, or a cloud storage service like Google Drive to free up valuable space on your device. Delete unused apps. Go through your app list and uninstall apps you haven't used in the last 3+ months. This includes apps that you might have forgotten about or no longer need. Many pre-installed bloatware apps such as carrier-specific tools can also be uninstalled or disabled to clear up more storage. Use Coolmuster Android Assistant PC version. Coolmuster Android Assistant allows you to transfer data to your computer, freeing up space on your Android device. This software also lets you manage your device data more effectively, delete unnecessary files, and even back up photos and videos to your computer. Solution 4. Optimize apps. Restrict background processes. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, then select an app you don't use often. Step 2. Tap Battery or App Battery Usage. Step 3. Select Restrict Background Activity or Optimize Battery Usage. This option varies by device. This prevents the app from running when you're not using it, freeing up resources for faster startup. For extra control, revisit the Startup Manager from Section 2.1 to ensure the app is toggled off. This stops the app from launching at boot and running in the background. Update apps and system software. Update apps. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, select Manage Apps and Device, and then tap Update All. Update system software. Go to Settings, System Update or Software Update. Tap Check for Update and install any available updates. These updates often include important fixes that can optimize startup performance. Solution 5. Restart device regularly. Restarting your device helps to shut down unnecessary processes, clear temporary memory, and reset system resources, which leads to faster startup times. Restart your Android device at least once a week, ideally before bed, so it's fresh and fast when you wake up. Solution 6. Factory reset. If your device is still slow after trying all the tips above, a factory reset may be the final solution. Performing a factory reset will erase all your data, so make sure to back up important files first. To reset your Android phone, go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset. This will return your device to its original state and can resolve deep performance issues, including slow startup times.